For this eye look, we're going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. We're going to start off with Unity as our transition shade, blending that throughout the crease. On top of Unity, we're going to use Sphere. And focusing Lure more in the outer and inner corners of the crease. We're going to just be using windshield wiper motions to really blend that out. We're going to be using Throne to create the halo effect on the outers and inner corner of the eye. You're going to see me continue to just build up that color until it's as dark as I want it. To deepen that up a little bit, we're going to use Osiris right on top. Make sure to keep blending out all of your harsh edges. Now, using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and a small brush, I'm going to be creating a cut crease on the center of my eyelid. Right on top of where we've just put the concealer, we're going to be using the shade Dimension to add some metallic color to the center of the eyelid. I'm going to be spraying my brush with the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist just to make the color a little bit more shimmery. And we're just going to be blending out those edges so that it all is nice and seamless. Going back in with Sphere just to blend out our crease. And to darken up the edges, we're going to use Throne just a little more. We're going to be using Lucid as our highlighting shade on our brow bone and on the inner corner of your eye. We're going to be bringing Throne down on the lower lash line just to bring it all together and make it a little bit smoky. And I'm going to be using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara on my eyelashes. And to complete the eye look, I'm going to be using a white eyeliner pencil on my waterline to brighten the eyes.